Hey everybody, welcome back. As you can see, so far so good as far as removing the panel. And of course, as expected, I uncovered more than what you could see from the outside. As you can tell here, this wheelhouse was absolutely destroyed. And what's really sad about this is this damage was left here, and somebody put a brand new quarter panel just like the other side. They installed the brand new quarter panel that I pretty much had to destroy to get off, and is now, I don't know, maybe I could use it as a patch panel. Not really much you can do with it, but as you can see here, there's a lot of rust hiding behind. This side's got more rust. The other side didn't have this rust, but I get down in here, you can kind of see, you can see all the areas that are chewed out from the chisel. That's not supposed to be there. That is the substructure of the car, and all of that has to be repaired. You can see this piece was off here. It's actually bent. We come around to this side here, you can see the damage to the back side of the door jamb support plate. And it's a good thing that that set I bought comes in pairs, because I have a feeling I'm going to be replacing this one as well. But overall, this was the only strong weld on the entire quarter panel. They welded that completely from end to end. Everything else was barely on. As you can see here again, you look at the wheelhouse. Somebody put a patch over that area that was already damaged. I mean, that needed to be replaced, and somebody just figured, well, good enough. We come over this way, you can actually see that support structure is kind of pushed in, and I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but if you follow, there's an even number of marks here, or there's a pattern here, I should say. So that tells me there was something going on here, and they kind of beat this in with a hammer for whatever reason. But all that's got to get fixed. The only welds that we had on the entire wheelhouse, not that there was anything we could weld that could be welded to it. There was one small weld down here and one small weld here. Nothing else, of course, could be welded. As you can see, it's quite a mess. And up here was just, again, not good. Rust up in here, rust in this corner. You can see I really opened up a mess in here. That's all gonna have to get fixed. Come around here, hardly any welds. You can see I've already separated that seam. There's really not much of any weld holding that together. This is a mess. We go underneath, it's nothing but seam sealer and body filler, and yeah, that's all gonna go. But on a good note, this pieced off very well. Nothing bad to see back here. I'm actually happy with everything. And I guess the reason those are welded up good, because that was welded to the reproduction panel. So we'll clean this all up. We'll put the new quarter on and weld it to that, but we got a lot of work before we get there. Come over this way. Here's the quarter panel. Like I said, unfortunately is not usable again. This was the only good spot. Everything else had to get cut. Had to cut all that. You can see in here, I don't know what happened here, but they had to put some more weld in here. But nothing was welded there. Had a bunch of rust at the bottom over here. We were starting to get rust in this area, and that's just from lack of the proper materials to keep the moisture out. So yeah, reproduction panel, brand new, installed on the car the wrong way, is nothing but junk. So we're going to continue with this. I'm going to get this wheelhouse cut off of here. I may have to cut higher into this roof panel here to get farther up because of the rust I'm seeing. But we're going to work on getting this wheelhouse off of here and kind of seeing what else we have to deal with. But so far, it's looking almost exactly like the other side. Anyway, like, subscribe, stay tuned. See ya.